Welcome to the University SharePoint tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of using SharePoint for your department, including accessing the platform, managing files, customizing your homepage. To help you get the most out of SharePoint, check out this quick video tutorial on transferring files from OneDrive to SharePoint. On the right panel, you'll also find quick links to helpful guides that cover everything you need to know about SharePoint, from its key features to best practices. News: stay up to date with the latest announcements, team updates, and important organizational news. Events: never miss an important date. Browse upcoming meetings, workshops, and special events to stay informed and engaged with your team. To upload a document, click on Documents in your SharePoint site. Select Upload or drag and drop files from your computer. To share a document, click on the file, select Share, and enter the recipient's email. You can also adjust permissions by setting them to View or Edit. You can copy the link of the file or just send and invite via email using the button. You can also further customize access to this file by including specific groups and setting expiration dates. Moreover, you can create folders and put files into this folder by dragging. To delete a file or folder, right-click the item and select Delete. This file or folder will be transferred to your recycle bin, where you can either permanently delete the file or restore it. To add and manage users, click the gear icon on the top right. Then, select Site Permissions. Click the Add Members button. To add a user with a visitor role only, select Share Site Only and type the name of the person and hit Send. To add a user with a member role, click Add Members to a group instead. Then click Add Members and type the person's name. You can either set this user as a member or owner by clicking the arrow. Once you're done, hit Save. There is an alternative way where you can configure site permissions. To do this, 1. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Site Permissions, then click Advanced Permission Settings. This will take you to another page. 2. Click Grant Permissions on the top left and enter the names or email addresses. Here, you can select a more specific permission level, such as Design, where the user can only edit pages, or Read, where users can only view the SharePoint site. 3. Moreover, you can create a custom group aside from owners and members. You can configure this and set a default permission level. 4. Lastly, you can create a custom permission level where you can specify which actions are allowed for this specific permission level. You can customize your SharePoint homepage using the drag-and-drop editor. Click Edit Page in the top right corner. From here, you can add, remove, and rearrange elements to better fit your department's needs. Available customization options include News and Announcements, share important updates or department-wide news. Quick Links, add shortcuts to frequently used pages or external resources. Forms, integrate Microsoft Forms to collect feedback, requests, or surveys. Calendars, display upcoming meetings, events, and deadlines. Image and text web parts, add visual appeal and descriptive text to highlight key information. Document libraries and lists, display important files and track tasks within the homepage. To move widgets, simply drag and drop them into place. You can resize and configure each element by clicking on the settings icon. When satisfied with your changes, click Republish to make them visible to all site visitors. That's it for this SharePoint tutorial. We hope this guide helps you navigate and use SharePoint efficiently. Thank you for watching.